Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add songs in Instagram profile. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Music. To enable this feature, make sure you have a professional account. If you're not sure how to switch to a professional account, make sure to check the video on our channel. Moving on, simply tap on Pick Song for your profile. Select a song that you want. Select the desired part of the song to play. Then tap on blue tick at the top right. Now every time someone visits your profile, they can automatically listen to the song you've just selected. And that is how to add song in Instagram profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.